Cinematic slow-mo effect. In this video, I will show you how can you easily add the cinematic slow-mo effect in Capcut. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Capcut application and choose the video which you want to edit. After that, all you need to do is click on the video and then you will need to click on speed. Here you see two options, normal and curve. Once you click on normal, you will see certain speed limits 1x, 2x, 5x, 10x, 100x. Now this, when you apply a particular speed, it will be applied to your whole video. But if you want to customize the speed of your video, you need to click on curve option and choose a particular curve according to your desire. Now sometimes when we edit our video or slow its speed, the quality decreases. So how can we maintain that? Because you see the option of slow mo smooth and drop down menu. Once you click on it, you need to choose the option of better quality and click on the tick option, and it might take some time and it is applied. As you can see, the quality of our video is still the same and the cinematic slow motion effect is also applied. So that's all. That is how easily you can apply the cinematic slow motion effect in your video in Capcut. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.